Alright, if you want to make Uncle Buck pancakes, here's how you do it. First, grab a box of pancake mix that only needs water, not oil, eggs, and milk. Mix to a thin consistency and add more water if needed, then head to your preheated black stove. With the burners turned down to their lowest setting, oil one side of the griddle with olive oil, which has a higher viscosity than canola or vegetable oil. Pour half of the mix onto the oiled side of the griddle until it's about 14 to 16 inches in diameter. When it's ready to flip, grease up your pizza peel and slide under the pancake, flip it over, and let it finish. When it's done, apply a heavy layer of grease on your peel again, and transfer the pancake to a nearby pizza pan and shimmy it off the peel. Then grease up your Blackstone again with olive oil and use the rest of the pancake mix to create another pancake. You then repeat this process until you create a large stack of pancakes. My stack has 8 pancakes, which took 4 boxes of pancake mix to create. Obviously, this is a lot of pancake to eat, but if you want the true Uncle Buck pancake experience, this is it. Use an entire block of butter and use a toothpick to keep it at the top of the stack. Grab a bottle of syrup and dump the entire bottle on top. When your kid comes down for their birthday breakfast, they won't believe their eyes, and it is sure to be a core memory for them for years to come. For all the details on how to make these pancakes, including a recipe card and additional tips, click the link in our bio to head to our blog.